country girls play like a boy, love like an angel, and know the way around a shotgun. So this would be tailored. This would sell to a woman who is interested in country music or country-related brands or things like that, who also has an interest in shotguns or guns or Second Amendment or something like that. So essentially like a Midwest girl, if you will, right? So you do something like this. Let's go ahead and let's download this graphic. Let's go ahead and download this to my desktop, Country Girls. Let's save it. So now let's go back over here to Gearbubble, and you can upload a design. Okay, upload a graphic. I don't know if it's the right format, by the way. We're going to see. I did not format this, so it might not let this one go. We'll see. It might not be the right size for a mug. If it's not the right size, we'll go to a t-shirt instead. Okay, so it looks like it is kind of the right size here. But it looks like this would only really work on a, this is not good for a white background, so I don't think I'm going to use it. Let's go back. Let's go, let's not put this on a color-changing mug. Let's put this on a t-shirt or a hoodie. Let's go design a t-shirt or hoodie just because I have this graphic. And look at all these different t-shirts you could do. Women's tees, youth hoodies, long sleeves, sweatshirts. So let's do like a sweatshirt. Let's do a black sweatshirt like that. And then let's upload the design. Country Girls. And it's going to upload it. And this is how easy it is. You just upload a transparent design. There it is. Country Girls, okay? And you can literally like, you can go make it bigger if you want to. You can do a lot with it, okay? You can go and you can reverse it. You can just do all kinds of stuff. So basically, I'm just kind of showing you the exact, there's all kinds of like little options that you can do. You can snap it to the center to make sure this thing stays in the center. You can rotate it a little bit. There's all kinds of stuff that you can do, okay? So you can put it up higher. You know, you can make it bigger. Okay, cool stuff you can do. So you basically upload a design, put it on a sweatshirt, choose what colors, and you can add another color. So maybe I want to have one that's black, and you can kind of scroll over and see what, it doesn't look good on white, doesn't really look good on red, looks a little bit good on blue, purple, so maybe like that color looks good. Add another color, blue. So you could have like a black one, a purple one, a blue one. Now your base cost is $15.90 per sale. Oh, sorry, your profit is $15.90 per sale. So if I sell this for $29.95, I'm going to make $15 per sale. But if I sell it for $24.95, I'm going to make $10. If I sell this for $19.95, I'm going to make $5.90. So the logic here is, when I'm first starting, I'm going to sell this for like $19.95. And then after I sell a few, I'm going to bump it up to like $24.95 and then see if I can sell more. And then after a while, I'm going to bump it up to $29. I'm going to just keep raising the price to see what I can get away with. But I'm going to start small to see if I can actually do that. Now, personalized design layer, this allows you to be able to do stuff like that. Don't worry about any of that. Right now, you're just basically doing this, and you're just uploading an image. I can move it around and make it bigger if I wanted. And then it gives you like a default text, just released, limited time only, not available in stores, guaranteed safe checkout. See how it gives you this default stuff, so you don't even have to add it if you want. Campaign title, I'll say Country Girls, exclusive or something like that. That's the name of the shirt. Country Girls exclusive. You can do an optional category if you want, but you don't even really need to. Optional tags, you don't need to. Now this is how long it's going to run, because this is going to put a countdown timer. So you can basically say this is only available for 1 day, or this is only available for 2 days, 3 days, 6 days. So this will put a 6-day countdown timer. It's only available for 6 days, and then it's off the market. Choose a URL. We'll do like country girl, country, I'm spelling wrong, country girl shotgun, okay? Country Girl Shotgun, something like that, right? And that's how you come up with a URL. And then you set the selling price. We've got it set at $24.95. It's a sweatshirt though, so I might be able to sell it like $29.95. And then this is like a profit preview. So this kind of shows you like your different profit margin. Your estimated profit is, if you sell 5 of this hoodie, your estimated profit is $79.50. If you sell 250 of the hoodie, your estimated profit is $4,600 on this. If you can sell 1,000, your estimated profit is $19,530, right? So it gives you like a profit preview that you can kind of figure it out. Now, you see how this has 4 colors? If we would have just uploaded a 1-color design, we would make more profit. And if you uploaded like more than 6 colors, it makes a lot of profit. So if you have a very colorful design, you make less profit because the print-on-demand company has to show a lot of different colors. It takes them harder to print multiple colors. So the less colors you have, the more profit you're going to make. This is 4 colors. There's my estimated profit, just like that. So you're going to make, it kind of like, you can kind of see like estimates. Pretty cool. Okay, so that's your profit preview. Your button text could be buy it now, all this kind of stuff. Terms of service, and you can launch the campaign, right? So it's processing, launching, and just like that. Pretty simple, right? I've got the ability to be able to sell this now. Country Girls exclusive. So now in my account, if I want to, here's a URL. I can start advertising this right now. This is print on demand. I can start advertising it right now. We haven't even hooked it up to Shopify. If I just want to test this, I get to start selling it right now. Okay? So you see how simple this was? I'm just showing you. Now look, available till April 8th. It's got a 6-day or 5-day and 6-hour countdown. It's got a countdown timer. It's got colors that the person can look at and can choose. It's got a sizing chart automatically built in. This is all built in for you. And this is very, very simple. Right now, somebody can buy it. And when somebody buys it, I earn like $15. So right now, without anything, low risk, all I did was I uploaded a design, and I have a sales page, and I can literally make like $15 right now if somebody buys this. So what I'll do is I'll take this post or whatever, and I would go over to, Facebook, and I would go like, we'll teach this in another one of the 90 days, but I just want to show you how simple it is. Let's just call this one, like, I'll create a fan page. Don't worry, I'm going to go fast here. Country Girls, I'm going to make up a page. Country Girls Anthem. Get started. Oh, whoops, I didn't choose a category. Let's just call it like a website. Country Girls Anthem. That doesn't even really matter what you call that. It's not like this even matters. There's my Country Girls Anthem. Here's my new page. Let's add a picture. Let's go over here and let's add Country Girls wallpaper. Let's see if there's an image I can really quickly use, like some sort of country girl image, something that like looks really cool or whatever. I don't know, something like this for right now. With some wallpaper. Here's a nice like little country girl wallpaper, whatever. I'll take like a little screen capture of a little bit of it. Let's just do like that. This might not even work really quick, but who cares? Country girl profile picture. So I wouldn't actually use this one probably, but I'm just going to go fast. So what I would do is I'd go to Facebook, and I would just go in here and I would just go add a picture, a country girl picture. And now I've got a page called the Country Girl Country Girl Anthem. Country Girls Anthem. I don't even know why I chose Anthem. I think I saw it in the background. It just was in my mind. So Country Girls Anthem. I just made up a page. It was free to create. And there's my little country girl profile picture. And I got my new page. That's it. All you need is a page. Now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to make a post. My post is going to be this country girl shirt. Okay? So like what I'll do is I'll just go like this. Here's my post. There's my link or whatever. And it didn't show up, so I'm going to refresh the page. Reload. I'm going to show you. It's going to pull up. There's a little trick too. If you post your link and it doesn't pull up, you need to refresh. So there it goes. Now it's pulling up a picture. There's a picture of my shirt. Country Girls exclusive. It's got a shirt. It's got everything. Just by posting the link, I got a post. But I'm going to do something better than that. I'm going to say, you know what? That's kind of silly. What if I do this instead? What if I just grab this shirt right here, take a screenshot of it, just like this. If I just took a screenshot, just like that, a picture. Let's go Country Girls. I'm showing you guys literally how as beginners how simple this is. Country Girls advertisement. I created a shirt. I uploaded a logo, created a shirt, set up a page. Let's go back here. I just took a screenshot of that. Let's refresh this. I just took a screenshot of the shirt. That's how simple it was. And after taking a screenshot of the shirt, watch this. Photo, video, upload. And just like that, I uploaded a picture. Now watch how simple this is. Check out, say, Are you a tag a friend that is a country girl who can relate to this shirt? Okay. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say tag a friend who's a country girl that can relate to this shirt, and then I'll say something like, get it here, and then we'll put like the little link to it. You know, get it here. We'll copy this link right here. Boom. And then I'll maybe do that again. Get it here. I'll get it, and I'll say get it here twice. Get it here, get it here. So look, tag a friend that is a country girl who can relate to this shirt. Get it here, get it her, get it here. Or get it in, I might do this, like get it in blue, get it in black. But I'll just say get it here, get it here. Okay? And now this right here is a post. Watch this. Publish. Again, this is all free. Everything I've done right now is free. Watch what I've done. I've created a shirt for free. I mean, you have to have a graphic, but that's like $5 or $10, something like that. But I've created a whole entire page. I've gone on Facebook, and I've created a post, which is just a picture of it, $29.95. And I said, tag a friend, get it here, get it here. So now I have a post. Now, I would probably put it on my, what I would do is I'd probably build a Shopify site that was all about country-related stuff. And then this would be just one product on my Shopify store. That's probably what I would do. But I'm just for the example of what is print on demand and how does it work, this is how it works. I've got this post now, and now I can advertise it. Country Girls Anthem. Now I can advertise this post. So now what I'll do is I'll go in here to create an ad, and I'll go over here and I'll do any one of these ads. I can do a conversion ad, whatever. We'll do this on another time, like maybe maybe like day 5 or 10, we'll go all about Facebook ads, but this is how simple it's going to be for you. Literally, I'm going to say country girls shotgun shirt. Literally, you're going to be able to go into Facebook, and you're going to be able to choose. Watch how cool this is going to be. Women in the United States, women. You're going to be able to go in and say, who should this post show to? Women, and don't worry, I'll train on this in depth. In this 90-day challenge, you're going to learn all this. Women in the United States who have an interest in, let's say, country music, okay? That is 29 million women. 29 million women in the United States have an interest in country music. So let's narrow this down. Must also have an interest in what happens if I do shotgun. Look at 830,000 people. Look at how cool this is. Right now, Facebook is going to allow me to show this post to women in the United States. Let's even make it 21 and over. Women in the United States who are 21 and over who like country music and shotguns. 730,000 people. Just like that. Look at how cool that is. And then you can go over here and you can say, where do you want this ad to show? And look at all these places it can show. You can show it on Instagram, or if you don't want to show it, you just uncheck that. You can show it on Facebook in the news feeds and these articles and these streams. What if I just want this thing to show up on Facebook in the news feed? When people are scrolling through the Facebook news feed, boom, there it is. I just check that box, and it's going to show up on the news feed. Now, how much am I going to spend? Watch this. $5 a day. Okay? $5 a day. Continue. Okay? $5 a day, and then I got to choose a page, and let's just choose this Country Girls Anthem page, and there's my post, and just like that. That's it. And then if you have we'll get into this later, pixel tracking, that makes Facebook smarter. We'll get into all that stuff later. But look at how simple this was. This post I just made, for $5 a day, Facebook will show this to women who like country music and shotguns. Just like that. And you can just place the order. Okay? How simple was this, you guys? Just in a matter of seconds. Now, in a matter of what, 20 minutes? What do? We found a print-on-demand site. We uploaded a graphic, put it on a sweatshirt, took a picture of it, went over here, made a post, showed people where they can buy it, and then went into Facebook, and we just advertised that post right now for $5 a day to the exact target audience. Okay? Look at what we just did right here. Just watch what we just did. Example for this training video, okay? Example for this training video. Look at these steps that we did, okay? Watch this. We created a graphic, and this was the country girls plus shotgun graphic, okay? We created a graphic. We uploaded that graphic to Gearbubble. We chose to put it on a hoodie. We priced the hoodie at, how much did we price it at, you guys? How much was that? $29.95. We priced the hoodie at $29.95 plus, I think it's got $4.95 shipping. There'll be some shipping, plus shipping. So we priced it at $29.95. We took a screenshot of the finished hoodie with graphic on it. We uploaded that as an image to a, or no, we created a Facebook page. We created a Facebook page in the country girls niche. We uploaded that image to the fan page with links to buy it. We ran a $5 a day ad to women 21 plus USA who like country music and shotguns. Then we sit back and see if any sales come in over the next 3 days. Okay? That's it. Remember, our profit is $15, okay? If our profit, actually I think our profit is more. Let's go back and let's look at what our profit is on this, right? Let's see if we can go back a couple pages and we'll actually see what our potential profit was. So our potential at $29.05, our profit is $10 per sale, okay? So if our profit is $10.90 per sale, let's say the next 2 days, okay? Let's say 2 to 4 days. So our profit is $10 per sale, roughly. So we can spend up to $10 to acquire a customer and break even. Our goal is to acquire customers for $5 or less. We keep experimenting until we find an advertising audience that works. If we can't find one, then we create a new product and new audience and try again. You guys, this is the name of the game. That's how simple it is right there in a number of steps, okay? Let's go down here and put this all on one screen so you can see it. Look at this right here, okay? And then we'll do step number 15. When we find a winner, we scale it up by spending more, by creating more ads. Creating more ads to run per day, okay? That's what we do. So there's 15 steps right there. Look what we did. We created a graphic. We uploaded it to Gearbubble. We put it on a product. We priced the product. We took a screenshot of it and uploaded that to Facebook, to a fan page we created. We ran a $5 a day ad trying to see if it would sell, and we're going to check the results in a couple days. Our profit is roughly $10, so we know how much we could spend to break even. But of course, our goal is to profit, to make profit. And we're just going to keep experimenting. If we can't find one, we try a new design, we try over. Okay? Once we find a winner, we scale up. Now, that's just with this product here.